Hi, I'm Andrea, Vivacity Healing.
Hi, I'm Mark, Minds at Peace.
We're co-hosting the workshop Chill the F Out, a serious look at reducing stress.
It's coming up soon, Monday, June 4th, 6:30 p.m. at Good Therapy in Sharonville.
I'm going to be talking a little bit about just how toxic stress is and how it's killing you. But don't worry, I'm also going to be talking about some simple acupressure and reflexology techniques you can do at home to reduce your stress levels and live a longer, healthier life.
Sounds great. And I'm going to be talking about how you can use mindfulness to help you rewire your brain and change decades-old habits that you've been dealing with. And I'm also going to give you a chance to demo some really cool 21st century technology that will help you jumpstart your meditation practice.
Purchase your tickets and reserve your spot at mindsatpeace.net.
And be sure to check out Andrea's website, thevivacityproject.org.
We've seen a lot of interest in this workshop, but remember, space is limited.
Tickets are only $200.
No, Mark, tickets are only $20.
$20? Such a bargain.
Bring your friends.
Bring your pets.
No, Mark, no pets.
Sorry, Fido.
For all the details, check out the Facebook event at Minds at Peace or Mark's website or my website.
Or Instagram.
Share this video with your friends.
But not your pets.
We'll see you June 4th.
See you then.